hot tubbers. Today we have Brooklyn demonstrating and Amanda doing the voiceover for how to purge your hot tub. Well, we're all human, and even pros like Brooklyn sometimes let their hot tub get away from them. So it's very important that we clean it out using our very own Spa Purge, the plumbing line flushing system of your dreams that you can get at thehotsspringshop.com. To begin, we want to make sure that our water's at least 99 degrees. Then we want to strip our filter area. So we're going to remove the filter lid, take all of the plastic components out if yours has it, and just keep going. Get to the filter that's in there, pull out that cartridge filter. If you have the Spa Frog system, make sure to remove your Spa Frog cartridges as well. Now we're going to turn on the jets. You want to make sure that all your jets are running. Feel free to play with the diverters to make sure they're all open. You want your waterfall on. You just want to have as many plumbing line fixtures exposed for this Spa Purge to run through and clean. It's recommended to leave your jets running for at least 5 minutes to let the mixture get through all of your lines. Now, if your hot tub looks like the most exciting bubble bath in the world after a few minutes, that means it's working. Brooklyn here is an overachiever and multitasker, but it's a great idea to go ahead and clean your filters while this process happens. Also a really nice idea at this time to go ahead and spruce up the outside of the hot tub. Spray off that foam, get the bugs off, whatever you need to do, you might as well do it at this time. My sister Brooklyn likes to keep things real nice and tidy around her home, so she is just gonna go ahead and put the bucket with her filter right on her steps, get that cover closed up, and then she will be ready to finish the task in the morning. Sweet dreams, little sis. Good morning, sunshine. Oh, who do we have here? It's Derek, Brooklyn's fiance / hot tub assistant. They are getting ready to complete the rest of this purge. This is how your hot tub should look the morning after, before we start draining. And it's very important that we power down our hot tubs before removing any water. Dutiful Derek here is placing the submersible pump in the hot tub to start the draining process. Now, there are many ways to drain a hot tub. This is the quickest, so it looks like they are using time as a weapon here to speed up the process. Our tidy Brooklyn here is going to go ahead and scrub down our hot tub with these nice aqua mitts before proceeding. This is the hot tub drained, cleaned, and ready to rip. Now, Brooklyn is going to start refilling the hot tub. It is important to stick your hose as far down the filter compartment as you can to avoid any airlocks or issues when we start up the hot tub. Check out the new video for how to clean, drain, and refill your hot tub, as well as how to balance your chemicals. Oh, we love a good transition.